Hello friends, welcome to Science Plus Tech. Today we would be unboxing Mi A2 and at the end of this video we would also compare its camera with Note 5 Pro and OnePlus 6 and soon we would be coming with a detailed camera comparison between Mi A2, Note 5 Pro and OnePlus 6 or 60. So why wait? Let's unbox it. So I have got Mi A2 from Amazon. Packaging is good this time. Previously when I ordered OnePlus from Amazon, its packaging was not up to mark. So yes, it's a plain white box, whereas in front they have shown its different color variant phones together. And at the top they have mentioned India's #1 smartphone. When Mi A1 came in market, it quickly became the most popular smartphone by Xiaomi. Reason for it was like it came with Android One program and we didn't had any Mi phones having stock Android previously, or you can say it came with Android One. I'm here with its next variant, that is Mi A2. There is again one small seal which mentions do not accept if seal is broken. First we are having a small white box, contains Mi A2 cover, manuals, warranty card, service contact information. And yes, a 3.5mm jack to C type connector. Remember, this phone doesn't have a 3.5mm jack and a SIM tray opener. And this cover is like transparent with a little darker shade. So here's a phone on its front mentioning its main features. For now we will keep it aside. We have a charger and a C-type cable. Remember, it's not a fast charger, it's simply a charger, but yes, Mi A2 does support fast charging, but you would need to buy it separately. So here I am with the phone. Its back exactly looks similar to Note 5 Pro with exactly same vertical alignment of dual camera, while previously Mi A1 had horizontal setup of dual camera. So now I will remove its temporary screen guard and power on this phone. So let's start with the Android One logo and then Mi logo. So I will just quickly set it up. Its camera bump is little ugly, which pops out too much. Now we would check its camera and compare it with OnePlus 6 and Note 5 Pro. So one photo is clicked with flash, other photo is clicked without flash. So you can say like, yes, Mi A2 clicks better photos than Note 5 Pro, but not better than OnePlus 6. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe.